Welcome to a new deep dive.
Hey there.
Today, we're cracking open the latest crypto market analysis. It's from Vantage Plus, just published this past Monday, September 15th, 2025.
Right, their weekly outlook.
Exactly. And our mission for you, really, is to pull out the most important nuggets from this, get you up to speed fast on market trends, technicals.
Especially that idea of altcoins starting to, take off.
That's the one.
Yeah, we'll guide you through the fundamental shifts, key levels, try and connect the dots on what's really driving things in this space. It's pretty dynamic.
Okay, let's unpack the overall market sentiment first then. What's the big picture?
Well, the market showed some weakness, remember, early last week.
Yeah, but cheeky.
But that upside momentum, it's definitely been restored. Most tokens, Bitcoin leading the way, they bounced off those recent support zones, moving higher now.
And fundamentally, what's maybe underpinning this?
Well, what's really fascinating here is how this could be maybe boosted by those recent SEC chair comments.
Oh, right. The on-chain-based global trading idea.
Exactly. Suggesting transactions right on the blockchain. I mean, that certainly hints at new rules, maybe a more structured global future for digital assets. Big stuff.
Definitely something to watch. So with that backdrop, let's zoom in. Bitcoin. Currently trading USD 115,937.
Yep.
It bounced off that key support, 108K. But, we keep hearing altcoins taking off.
Yeah.
How much is Bitcoin still the driver versus is its dominance fading?
That's the crucial question, isn't it?
Yeah.
The market has resumed fresh upside. It defended 108K. That was important. And look, a sustained break above 120K, that could really unleash some positive momentum.
Okay.
But while Bitcoin still sets the tone, its dominance is subtly fading. You're right to pick up on that.
So what does that signal?
Well, it signals a maturing market, I think.
Right.
Where altcoins are being valued more for their own merits, their use cases, not just riding Bitcoin's wave.
Right. Diversification.
Exactly. It's a powerful trend.
Okay, so speaking of alts, here's where it gets really interesting. Ethereum. Currently at USD 4,727. That correction from early September seems done and dusted.
Looks like it, yeah. ETH is now pushing to higher levels. It might be getting a little help from the NASDAQ retracement, too. There's often some correlation there.
Okay.
And the token is, well, it's squarely on track to break its all-time high, the one from late 2021.
Wow. And targets. Where could it go?
Analysts are looking towards the $8,000 zone. And if you look at things like Fibonacci extensions, these are sort of projections.
Right, technical projections.
Yeah, we could see targets like 6,900, maybe even 10,300. But, and this is important, maintaining support back at 3,800 is absolutely crucial for this momentum.
Got it. Keep an eye on 3,800. Okay, moving beyond the big two.
Okay.
Ripple, XRP, trading at 3.1672.
Yeah.
The report mentioned something interesting.
Yes.
That its upside often happens without big news. What's that about? Speculation or something else?
It's a fascinating observation, isn't it? Almost counterintuitive. That strong positive momentum from last week, it might well help Ripple move even higher. It's actually not far from breaking its all-time high from July this year.
Okay.
So this pattern suggests maybe its community strengths or its technical setup might be driving it more than news cycles. It could indicate some really robust underlying demand.
Interesting dynamic. Okay, finally, let's hit Solana, SOL, trading at USD 242.76. What's fueling its strong performance? It's been on a tear.
Yeah, it has. Well, it broke that major resistance zone at $200 last week.
Right.
So the market might now be open for even more positive momentum. There's some resistance coming up around 260. We might see a brief correction there.
A little pullback, maybe?
Could be. But the overall positive trend, it's expected to push beyond that. And a big driver here, I think, is the potential for new Solana ETFs.
The exchange-traded funds.
Exactly. That would allow traditional investors easier access, without buying SOL directly. That means fresh inflows, more institutional interest. Big potential catalyst.
Okay, so wrapping this up, what does this all mean for you listening? We've seen a market that's definitely recovering. Significant upside potential, especially, it seems, for altcoins like Ethereum and Solana. And it's backed by technical breakouts, yes, but also these fundamental hints, like the SEC chair's words and potential ETFs.
Yeah, and this really raises an important question, doesn't it? As Bitcoin's dominance maybe keeps fading a bit,
Yeah.
and these new institutional routes like ETFs emerge, how might this whole dynamic reshape the crypto landscape, especially for these alts trying to smash their old highs? What are the key things you'll be tracking now to navigate this?